Hello, welcome to this video on how to record expense in your Porkbooks. Once you log in, you'll be met with your main dashboard. You can add expense through here by clicking on this add expense button, or you can go to the left of your screen and click on expense button. This opens up the expense page. To add expense, click on the add expense button. This opens up the add new expense page. We would assume that we are paying electricity bill. So expense name is power bill. So power, the supplier name is assume is Eco Disco. The category can include us in general and administration. And the expense account, let's select the expense account for electricity. So we've populated some expense type in the we've assigned some names to the account numbers that represent different type of expense. Feel free to update the names to reflect the expenses that you incur in your business. So you have all sort of expenses here. So you're looking for electricity expense. So 582 is electricity expense. So select that. Let's assume you are paying 10,000 and you have a tax rate of 10%. And we paid cash of 11,000. That's the total amount owing. So outstanding is 0. Then here we select how we are paying. Let's assume we are paying from our RBC account. So we transfer the money from our RBC account. Here you can add any additional information about this expense. We'll leave that blank for this illustration. Then click on add expense. And that's it. You've added expense. We had 500 before we added the expense, and you can see it has increased down to the 500. Saying we have two count of expenses. We had one before this illustration, and the second one is the electricity bill. So the first one is the meals from Tim Hortons. So this shows us current month total expense. This expense we paid inclusive of taxes, amount we are owing. If you want to drill down to amount owing, just click on this and you can see they're owing 65 to Tim Hortons that we bought meals from. Okay, that's it. We recorded the expense. See you in the next video.